This is the Kohler 1010376 flapper assembly kit. Now this kit is designed for the tank model 3384 Kohler toilet. And what it will include, you'll have your flapper with the kind of plastic bracket with the ears that attach it to the flush valve itself, as well as the flow restrictor, this plastic insert, and then that metal bracket. You'll also have a little list of instructions here. Go ahead and open that up. So on the front, you get a little picture breakdown of the parts and how they're installed, as well as the tools required, little installation instructions, and then on the next page, you just got the same thing in a few different languages. A couple things to notice about the flapper. You've got the chain and this metal hook here. This hook is what's going to come up and attach to the arm of that lever, which is going to lift that flapper once it's attached to the flush valve. Lift the flapper, let the water come through and flush the toilet. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of each piece here in the kit, starting with the flapper itself. So first measurement, we're going to take it straight across the top. Flip my ruler over. See if we can get centered. That's going to be right at about 2 3/4 inches. So this is a 2-inch flapper. The 3-inch flappers will measure right at about 3 3/4, almost 4 inches. And then we can also measure, we'll measure the length of these arms here. That's going to measure right at about 2 3/4 as well. Then moving on to this flow restrictor. It's got that little corkscrew shape. Starting with the total length of it, we're looking right at about 1 1/4 inches, with an outer diameter of, now outer diameter, I'm just measuring the outer diameter here at the hole. It's going to be just shy of 1/2 inch. You've got your little clear or plastic insert. Get an outer diameter and height of it. That's going to be just below 3/4 inch, with a thickness of right at almost right at 2/8 inch. Then you've got the metal bracket. We'll take a measurement here at the bend and down, and then from the bend up. So starting with the bend down, it's going to be right at 3.5 inches. And then from the bend up, we're measuring right at about 5.5 inches. And once again, this was the Kohler 1010376 flapper assembly kit.